Yeah, can't see, but anyways. What?
Yeah.
I don't like the noise. I don't like the noise. I don't like the noise. I don't like the noise.
Instead of going to
Oh, this thing's gonna die anyways, so I don't know if I can like film it all, but anyways.
It'll go right
You
to
set it
me.
off over there in that
It's a
corner.
heat
It'll go right to me.
That corner would have been better.
I don't like the noise
If
of
it
these
falls over,
things.
everyone runs.
Is that single or double?
Oh.
That's just a single? I bet the double ones are pretty good, huh?
You're the shit out of me.
The police are gonna come.
Did you think they was something weak, Brandon?
Those are just the single ones.
Just stop.
These are the
Where was
weak.
that?
Probably like,
No, it's way
Somebody
over there
shooting the
somewhere.
fire.
yeah, I knew it. Firecracker.
No, ain't fire
They
arrows.
shoot back
Listen.
at us. They got them 107.
Hurry up. Hurry
Yeah,
up.
I guess
Because
so.
this thing's gonna die. I know it.
Yeah,
And
shoot
then it's
the
gonna be like
more
2 minutes.
out.
I'll be there.
And that's gonna die.
They
So,
got them 107. Watch out.
Who?
What?
Who did you say?
SVD.
At the police?
Huh?
Oh, I thought you said shoot it at the
Well, I'm
No,
filming,
that's-
so.
I think the police are gonna come.
Well, this is funny. I don't know. I hate that noise. That's funny.
Is that the New Yorker one? Yeah, they're good.
Oh, you bought. What the heck? What did you just
Well,
do?
then maybe that
What?
other one.
Something just got on my hair.
Something had bugs
There's
on me.
nothing wrong with those.
What the heck? That was like a piece of something in my hair. Like,
What do
okay.
you want them to do?
Whatever. I don't. No, it's out. I just got it on the floor. Like, what? Okay, I was
Probably
like,
bugs out there.
it was not a bug. It was like a piece of something. That's
What
why. Like,
bug is
Come
pieces
back
of?
there. Some
The
people
double
shooting back
one?
there.
What?
There's something going off back there behind us.
Yeah, I'm sure.
You hear them?
Yeah.
It's like sounds
Yeah,
like
I think
cougars.
it's over
that crap gets.
Barb.
Really small.
Just stop it. Okay.
Well, then do one of those double ones. Then. I said, do one of the double ones.
That one thing, the one set of blocks out.
And I'm not gonna get to film all of this because my
Oh, you
iPod's gonna
gotta-
die. So
You gotta do something else.
no, it will because it's like low battery. And I didn't even think of. I didn't even think of charging it. So sorry. If it dies, this is just gonna be it. So yeah. What? Something in my hair. Really, it was like a piece of something. I don't know. Like, okay. Is it thunder?
Run faster.
Walk faster.
Done.
Wait, let me see.
I did. I did.
You picked these.
No, I thought they was different.
I knew they wouldn't be different.
Those
This one
people are
there,
outside
you better
there.
look at the shells on them other ones.
They're
They're
shooting
little
at
puny
I
new-
see people out there. They're pulling out the 107. They're going
Wow,
there.
wait up. Someone keeps spying me. I hate. Okay.
Don't let them fall, man. 107.
I thought the door. Did you think the door came open there?
What's wrong with you?
There's a ghost.
Oh yeah, sure. Get out of there. What?
Is it gonna be real loud?
Oh God. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Explosion.
Oh, is there stuff coming down?
Someone's in my hair.
They leave. I'll come out tomorrow and pick up this
We'll
stuff.
do the other one.
Somebody's like putting them off back there. Too. So.
Or do you have, oh, you gotta change.
Yep, you gotta change it out.
Well,
Well, I picked out one of those, so. Well, not that one. I know. Mom picked them out.
okay, Kelly, I know.
Oh,
I won't.
Door came open.
I won't pick them.
you better get out of there. Like that. Oh, I hate the noise. I hate the noise. noise of those.
Fucking mean when it come out.
Yeah, I know. It was like,
I was
look
like,
at that.
What the hell? That thing was like, woo. I didn't expect that.
I hope it don't come on me.
It went over there like, did you see her again?
Some bitches come out. That one came out of there. That one. I don't know why the other one did that.
Here it goes. There is.
Seeing all the bugs on me.
Brandon, if you want a chair, you can go ahead and get you one.
Yeah, you want a chair?
You can go
I
ahead.
can bring you if you want one.
Hey, yeah, go ahead and get
Tell me if you want one, okay?
This skin's gonna die, so it's not gonna be that long. Oh, I might like film. What? I'm gonna
Well,
film.
I ain't that thing to you.
Yeah, you have.
Hey,
No.
Picking on me all day.
What the
Done.
heck?
Oh,
No.
no.
that one was pretty good.
That was like, it was. Ugh. Smells bad.
The others are going to be better, you say?
Yeah.
Look how big
Sorry
the shell
about
is
this
compared
crap.
to the rinky-dink shell. And look at these.
I can't see them.
Too dark. They're bigger. That's all.
Oh.
You can't see them,
okay,
guys,
yeah.
but
Yeah, they're way bigger.
I'm gonna probably have to like stop filming and then film like part 2. So yeah, like after this one, I'll probably like stop. So hold up. Maybe. I hope my iPod doesn't die.
Do
What?
what, Kay?
Nothing. Oh, it's like gonna rain.
Done.
You need the other
Done
lighter?
lighter.
Oh, whoa.
Good. This is pretty.
That one's pretty.
They're still going off.
What?
Oh, it disappeared.
Oh, anyway, so
They are
we'll
loud.
see part 2. So yeah,
Big wet bed.
thank you, and see part 2. So.